Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. I'm going to teach you how to block a number from calling you without the use of any third-party app. This tutorial will be very short and simple as usual. Okay, let's get started. First of all, I want to let you know that this tutorial works on Android 6 upward. Not that I've seen it works on Android 5. So if you're using an Android 5 phone down, then you can be certain that it might not work for you. Now go to your dialer. Here's it. Go to your dialer, then click on these three horizontal dots here, or vertical, anyone you want to call them, and click on settings. Now select call blocking and click add the number. As for me, I've copied down the number. I'll just paste the number and click block. Go back. I've blocked that number. You can't call me again. That's how you can block a number on Android phone. You see that the tutorial is very short and easy. If you fail to understand it, please leave a comment in the description box below. Thank you and have a good day.